I've been part of some of this dialogue for a long time, and you and I have been talking some. I'm at a new congregation. First year, you don't do that much change. Did a little. My rabbi's right on board. My question really has to do with buy-in of both teachers and parents. Kids totally, I think, will have buy-in immediately. Yeah. It's the other two components.
So the question is how to build buy-in?
How did you both do that?
So I did a goals activity. What are the goals for our students when we're leaving? I had all my teachers in the room, and nobody put Hebrew decoding on the list. And then my Hebrew teachers backpedaled and were like, no, wait, we meant as much as you can elevate the goals and listen for the stories of dissatisfaction. Go around, talk to your kids, and then tell the parents this is what your kids are saying. This, the culture of change is the formula of change is all about creating a culture of dissatisfaction.
Right. Oh, we
it's
have
not
the
all about
dissatisfaction.
So I think it's also telling the story of what's possible, because again, like Stacy said, a lot of times the thing you know and hate is better than the thing you don't know, just because you know it, it's familiar. And we have so many parents who maybe they disliked their own experience, but they still think that's what has to. It's like, I suffered through it, you have to too. So they don't know that there's an alternate possibility. So I think sharing that's partly why we're doing this today. We want you to go back and say, here are 4 other models that are working in other communities. And it's really exciting because you can do it this way or you can do it this way. There's not like one way, but there are different ways that don't look like 5 years of Hebrew workbooks or 6 years or however many. And so I think it's telling that story. And it's a lot of one-on-one conversations. It's not just like a big presentation to a big group. I think it's building buy-in one by one with teachers, sometimes with parents, with your committee. You've got to have allies. Find your allies. So who are the allies? Are they the chairs of your education committee? Maybe it is a clergy person. In some communities, the clergy is the most resistant. In some communities, the clergy is eager to change because they don't think it's working that well. So figure out sort of who those allies are and have them also help you sort of tell the story and share it. And sometimes it takes a while. It might be a 1 or 2 year process to make the change. It's not always like, this year we're going to change everything,
The other thing I want to say is piloting and packaging.
Totally.
So we had one class that the behavior actually got so bad that we stopped teaching decoding, and we told the parents, and they were fine with it. If you take out a huge element of your curriculum and put in, that's right for repackaging everything, and it's amazing what a fancy logo will do, which is like, considering the things we're able to do, like it's easy.
Right.